Hey, this is Jack. I'm working on a 2013 Nissan Altima. Having a problem with my remote. It will not start the car. It's in my hand, right there. I'm pressing the brake pedal. Well, I gotta sit it down. I'm pressing the start. Nothing. Every time I have to hold it up against the start button and it starts. So I did research online. I couldn't find anything helpful. There was one poster who said that if you disconnect the battery, it will resolve the problem. I don't even think that the door locks are, I don't even think that, oh, by the way, I put a brand new battery in the car, in the remote. I'm sorry. I put a brand new battery in the remote, and the remote works sometimes and sometimes it does not. I'm trying to unlock, nothing. It locked the car, but it won't unlock. The batteries are brand new. So let's see if this works. I'm going to disconnect the battery under the hood and we'll see if this fixes the problem. Alright guys, I got the battery cleaned up. I know it looks filthy, but I actually cleaned it up. I use battery cleaner and a wire brush. If you could see down in there, that's how you can see the connectors actually clean. Now these connectors are ruined, so all this has to be replaced. And this side too. They're corroded, it's stuck, and it's stretched out. So I put little screws in here for now. Maybe you have some other advice on how to, you know, I've seen people put little nails and different things in here, but it's just temporary. Okay, so I popped that out, replaced it. I used the battery cleaner. You can also use baking soda to neutralize it, and it looks disgusting. The rest of the engine compartment looks pretty darn good. It looks pretty clean, but this looks bad. I need to clean that up a little more. Okay, so let's close the hood and see what we got. Alright, let's see if this remote works. It unlocked. It unlocked and locked. The remote unlocked and locked the car. Oh. Alright, so here is the key. I'm gonna sit it down here and let's try. Please work. Oh, put my foot on the brake. It's working. I can't believe it's working. Look. I found this online because all the videos online are talking about replacing the battery. Okay, and I had already done that. Truthfully, I replaced the battery twice. So I have a new battery in my kitchen. I knew to hold on to it because I knew after that point that there was nothing wrong with the battery. I replaced it twice because I said, hey, maybe they got a bad batch. So I just replaced it twice. Okay, so most of the videos are going to tell you to replace the battery. They're going to show you how to open this up, remove the key, and replace the battery. I cannot believe this worked, but I needed to try it. All I did was disconnected the battery under the hood. And, you know, you don't have to do it for a long time. Do it for about a minute. What's the rush? I did it for several minutes because I had to clean out that corroded battery. All right, and then it works. Let's try it again. I'm just still in disbelief. Let's turn it off. And then also you can tell by that foot pedal thing is popping up there. Look at that. See, it's saying that it's ready. That wasn't cut. That display wasn't coming up before. It was saying something like key not detected. Key not detected. So that's telling you that it's ready for you to start the car. It's working. It is working. So that's it. That was, I mean, that's one of the easiest solutions that I've had, just to, well, actually, I've done this with another car with a problem with my Avenger with the clicking. It was a battery issue, battery terminal issue where it was actually loose. So I hope this works for you. I hope this works for you. If you have this problem, this unique problem, sometimes it's going to be the battery. And there are plenty of videos on for Nissans for how to replace the batteries. It's very easy. You open up the case, you pop out the old battery, pop the new battery in. And just one other caveat, make sure you take a picture of that before you take it out. Because like me, I'll forget 5 seconds later. Take a picture of the battery before you take it out, because you do not want to put it in backwards. Some Nissans have the positive side facing up and some have the positive side facing down. Okay? So when you have to replace a battery. In my case, again, it was a battery cable reset thingamajoo, whatever, and it worked for me. I'll keep you posted if anything changes.